Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing an OpenAI API key and storing it in an environment variable so secrets never appear in code. Next, choose your runtime node. JS or Python are fastest to iterate, and scaffold a basic project. Once done, install the official OpenAI SDK and test a minimal API call that sends a system and user message. This proves connectivity and key validity. Make sure to pick a model with latency and cost appropriate for your use case. That choice shapes prompt design and budgets. You now build the chat flow. Implement message buffers that include a system prompt, recent user turns, and optional short-term memory. Use template variables to avoid repeating work and create functions to assemble payloads. Once done, wire request handling with clean error paths, add streaming support if you need progressive UI updates, and implement retries with exponential backoff. Make sure to validate user input and enforce token or message limits so the model operates within cost and performance constraints. You finish by adding production hardening, authentication, structured logs, metrics, and usage limits to control spend. Once done, optimize prompts for clarity and brevity to reduce token costs, and add content safety filters if needed. Deploy to a staging environment and run integration tests that simulate concurrency. If things go wrong, check API keys, rate limits, and model errors first. Often a 429 or 401 indicates configuration or quota issues. Then adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.